up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Etsy shop review. Today we are taking a look at Karl Moss Designs. Sorry, I haven't taken down my holiday decorations yet, so just ignore the tree. And Mini Toya has volunteered to try on all the clothes. Well, you know, someone's gotta do it, so it might as well be me. Now let me just say, trying to get doll fashion on a Karl Moss Designs drop is like trying to get a sweatshirt on an Ivy Park drop. I had to set a timer, then quickly add those items to my cart and check out before someone else took them out of my basket. I'm for real, I've already missed 2 drops and this time I was determined not to. This shop has casual fashion at very competitive prices, which could be why everything goes so quickly. And I was not shy about buying one of everything in the last drop. Yeah, see, I had some fun. Well, this was from an earlier drop, and I wasn't able to get the top. You see what I mean? Okay, so this is the Boxy Bandit sweatshirt made for most 1/6 fashion dolls in navy. Here it is on Mini Toya. It's an off-the-shoulder top made out of a t-shirt material. It is hemmed at the neck, the sleeves, and has a band at the bottom. It closes with Velcro in the back, and it looks great off both shoulders too. This is a simple, casual look that I really like. We're gonna pair it with the Verona high-waist, wide-leg pants with waistband and pockets made for most 1/6 scale original fashion dolls. Oh wow, these really are high-waisted. I really do like high-waisted pants, especially with crop tops. They also Velcro in the back, and they have pockets! I get super excited when doll clothes have pockets. Now, the pockets are not closed on the bottom, so I wouldn't put my doll keys in there, but this is definitely a cozy look that Mini Toya can rock. I bought that same top in black for $6.50 because you know I like my options. This is the Grace Tank Harem jumpsuit made for 1/6 fashion dolls in gray. It was priced at $12. Okay, so this looks very, very comfortable. We have nice neat stitching around the neckline and around the arms. The top is stitched to the bottom because this is a jumpsuit. There is a top stitch to make it nice and flat. There are pockets. It velcros in the back and tapers on the lower leg. These pants are loose in the seat, making them extra comfy. We can throw on that Boxy top for a little layering and create a whole new look. Here we have the Rachel knit pants with pockets made for curvy Barbies? Oh no! I accidentally ordered curvy. I thought I was ordering original. Okay, let's see how they look on Mini Toya anyway. Yeah, they're a little big. No! So we need to bring out one of our curvy Barbies to model this outfit. And yes, I bought the matching Boxy top. On the curvy Barbie, the pants fit very nicely. They're kind of fitted, but there is definitely some room. They're hemmed at the bottom, have a nice little waistband and pockets. Ooh, and I am looking at the inside stitching on the bottom of the top, and they did a double zigzag stitch, which is really nice. I don't have to worry about popping a stitch anytime soon. Loving this casual look, and I think it's really cool that this shop offers fashion items in different sizes. With that being said, make sure to pay attention to which size you are ordering. I'm sure this happened because I was moving so fast trying to make sure I got the whole line. I made a mistake. I also picked up the matching cowl neck oversized t-shirt. Look, I'm all extra coordinated. I have the whole set. You know what? We're going to put this on Mini Toya anyway and see if she can rock it. Maybe it'll just be a little baggy. So here is the same complete outfit on Mini Toya, and with the top on, I think we can totally get away with it. Yeah, the pants are a little baggy, but it's working for me. I love baggy clothes. I'm always wearing sweatpants and sweatshirts, so this is very accurate for me. Now she is wearing the cowl neck oversized t-shirt with those same pants, looking very comfortable. This top has a wide collar that folds over. There are cuffs on the sleeves, and they did top stitch it so it lays nice and flat. It is also top stitched at the bottom, and it is possible to wear it partly off the shoulder as well. This outfit says, curl up in a chair and read a good book. Did I say the prices? Oh, well, let's just do it again to be sure. The top was $7 and the pants were $9. I ordered the same outfit in burgundy as well, and it looks like I made the same mistake and bought curvy pants again. But we already know it's okay. The quality seems pretty consistent, nice stitching. You can see the top does not have a lot of seams. It looks like the sleeves and the main part of the shirt are all one piece. We have nice big sleeves, which only adds to that comfy, cozy look. Most of the pieces I bought were under $10 each, except for the jumpsuit, that was $12. So I am definitely going to keep an eye out for more items from this shop. And I will make sure to pay attention to the size. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Karl Moss Designs' Etsy shop. Let us know which Etsy shops you would like for us to check out in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.